Hello students, today's question is 16 raised to a square plus b plus 16 raised to a plus b square equal to 1. A and b belongs to real numbers set, then find the value of a. Now, first of all require this some formula. What is the arithmetic mean of two positive numbers? Arithmetic mean means am of two positive number means x plus y by 2. If x and y two positive number, then now what is geometric mean of two positive number? Square root of x into y. And one property, therefore relation between am and gm. Now am is always greater than equal to gm or not, means x plus y by 2 is always greater than equal to square root of x into y. Now consider x is equal to 16a square plus b and y consider 16a plus raised to a plus b square. Now therefore this is 16 raised to a square plus b plus 16 raised to a plus b square. This divided by 2. Why? Because this is arithmetic mean. Now this part is greater than equal to square root of 16 raised to a square plus b into 16 raised to a plus b square. This I think clear. Now this sum is already given, this is 1. This is 1 given. Now therefore this is 1 by 2 is greater than equal to square root of base same then power 8 means 16 raised to a square plus b plus a plus b square. This I think clear. Now therefore 1 by 2 is greater than equal to square root of, now 16 means 4 square raised to power a plus b plus a plus b square. This I think clear. Now therefore 1 by 2 is greater than equal to square root of, now power here multiply 2 into a square plus b square, a square plus b plus a plus b square means 4 raised to, now 2 into a square means 2a square plus 2 into b means 2b plus 2 into a means 2a plus 2b square. And now here add and subtract one value, one add and subtract. This is the important part here. This I think clear now. Now therefore 1 by 2 is greater than equal to square root of, now 4 raised to 2a square, then write this 2a, this one you can written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means one time write 1 by 2 here, plus write 2b square, then write this 2b, this remaining 1 by 2 right here, and then minus 1. This I think clear. Now therefore 1 by 2 is greater than equal to square root of 4. Now here 2 common, consider in this first three terms means this is a 2 common, the remaining part is a square plus a. If here consider 2 common, then 1 by 4 or not, 2 into 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2 or not, that's why here 1 by 4 plus similar way here 2 consider common in first three terms. Now this three terms means there's a b square plus b plus this is 1 by 4 and this is a minus 1. This is I think clear. Now here use one algebraic identity, x plus y whole square. This is a x square plus y square plus 2xy. If you compare with this, x is equal to a, consider y is equal to, consider this y is equal to, consider this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2 square or not, and 2 into x into y means this is a only. Now therefore this is 1 by 2 greater than equal to square root of, this is a 4 raised to 2 into this part is the a plus 1 by 2 square, this is a 2 into b plus 1 by 2 square. This is clear. Minus 1. So this is I think clear now. Now if you consider here a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and b plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, let a plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 consider and b plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 consider. Now put both the value here. Therefore 1 by 2 greater than equal to, now check this condition satisfy or not. For a this part is 0 and this part consider 0, square root of 4 into 0, this part is 0, this part is 0 means minus 1 only remaining. Now therefore 1 by 2 greater than equal to square root of, now this is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 square root, this is a 1 by 2 greater than equal to 1 by 2 means satisfy condition, means the a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and b plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This is a correct solution. Now therefore if a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, if a plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 and b plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, then a and b value, a equal to minus 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 1 by 2 means this only solution possible of this equation. Clear this part? Is a value minus 1 by 2 and b also minus 1 by 2. This I think clear. You can verify also.